Let's talk about something every nurse needs to understand, whether you're still in school or already working the floor. Nursing Continuing Education. You might hear it called Nursing CE for short, and by the end of this video, it's going to make complete sense. So what exactly is Nursing Continuing Education? Think of it as learning that keeps going after you pass the NCLEX and earn your license. Medicine changes fast. New treatments, new guidelines, new best practices. Nursing CE is how you stay sharp, stay current, and keep giving your patients the best possible care. Here's the simple version. Your license isn't a one-and-done thing. To keep it active, most states require you to complete a set number of continuing education hours during each renewal period. It's the profession's way of saying, keep growing, keep learning. Now let's talk about why it's required. Nursing is built on trust. Patients trust you to know what you're doing. State boards require CE to make sure every nurse stays competent long after graduation. It protects patients, and honestly, it protects you too. When you know the latest evidence, you make safer decisions and feel more confident doing it. So how many hours do you actually need? This depends on your state. Most nurses complete somewhere between 20 and 30 contact hours every 2 years. Some states ask for more, some ask for less, and a few have specific required topics. The key takeaway? Always check your own state board of nursing for the exact number. That way, you're never caught off guard at renewal time. Let's look at what Nursing CE actually covers. The range is wide, and that's a good thing. You can choose courses that fit your practice and your interests. Common topics include pharmacology updates and safe medication practices, infection control and patient safety, pain management, ethics and professional boundaries, mental health and substance use, specialty areas like wound care, critical care, or pediatrics. Some states also require specific courses like human trafficking awareness or opioid prescribing. So you're learning things that genuinely matter at the bedside. Now here's the part that really counts. How does CE benefit your actual practice? Let me give you a real-world example. Picture a nurse named Maya. She works on a busy medical surgical unit. During her renewal cycle, she signs up for a continuing education course on sepsis recognition. At first, she figures it's just another box to check. A few weeks later, she's caring for a patient recovering from surgery. The patient's temperature is slightly up. Heart rate is climbing, blood pressure is trending down. On any other day, these small changes might be easy to brush off. But Maya just studied this. She remembers the early warning signs of sepsis from her CE course. She recognizes the pattern, escalates quickly, and calls the provider. Because she acted fast, the patient gets treatment early and recovers well. That's the power of continuing education. It's not just paperwork, it's knowledge that shows up exactly when your patient needs it most. And the benefits go beyond one shift. Nursing CE can help you build confidence in your clinical decisions. Build confidence in your clinical decisions. Open doors to specialties and certifications. Qualify for promotions and higher pay. Stay compliant so your license stays active. Every course you complete makes you a stronger, more capable nurse. So here's a quick recap. Nursing Continuing Education keeps your license active and your skills current. Most states require around 20 to 30 hours every couple of years. The topics are practical and wide-ranging, and as Maya showed us, what you learn can directly change patient outcomes. Continuing education isn't something to dread. It's an opportunity to grow, to specialize, and to become the nurse you want to be. Ready to knock out your nursing CE the easy way? Head over to elitelearning.com. You'll find flexible, evidence-based courses you can complete anytime, anywhere, at your own pace. It's a simple way to stay compliant and keep advancing your career. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep growing, and take great care of your patients. You've got this.